All right, for this social studies lesson, you're gonna need 2 pieces of paper and something to write with, okay? On the first sheet of paper, you're going to write landforms, Landforms, landforms. You can pause the video if you need more time. On the second sheet of paper, you're gonna write bodies of water, BODIES, OFWATER, bodies of water, okay? We've talked about some different types of landforms and different types of bodies of water before. We're going to talk about them a little bit more today. So landforms are different kinds of land on the earth, okay? There are different types of land, like mountains, hills, valleys. We've talked about plateaus. Those are different types of landforms, okay? And on your other one, bodies of water are different kinds of water that's on earth. So that could be oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds. We've talked about some of those before, okay? The first one that I want us to talk about right now is mountain. Okay, and I have a little picture I'm going to show you. Mountain is the highest kind of land, and it rises up to a peak. So a peak is going to be sort of like a point. So it's going to get bigger as it goes. It's going to get smaller. I messed up. It's going to get smaller as it goes up. Okay, it might not always go to a point like the top of a triangle, but it is going to get smaller as it goes up, okay? That is a mountain. Now I want you to pause your video, and I want you to draw a mountain on your landforms paper, okay? So pause your video and do that now. Did you get your mountain drawn? Okay, next one, let's see. Oops, went a little too far. Next one is ocean, okay? Is ocean a landform or a body of water? Yeah, it's a body of water, okay? It is the largest body of water, and its water is salty. Oceans cover most of the earth. So we learned about all the different oceans, Pacific, Atlantic, Southern, all of those different oceans. And you can see on your map that oceans are a body of water, okay? On your on your bodies of water paper, I want you to draw ocean. However you want to draw it is fine. If you want to draw a little map like this and then have the ocean, that's okay. If you just want to draw some water, that's okay too. Ocean. So pause your paper, pause your video. Oh my goodness, I keep messing up. Pause your video and draw ocean on your bodies of water paper. Now we're going to go to the hill, okay? Land that rises up high, kind of like a mountain, but it is rounded on the top, okay? So it doesn't go up to a peak like a mountain. It's more round on the top. A hill. Which paper is hill gonna go on? Landforms or bodies of water? A hill is land. It tells us that right there. So we know a hill is a landform. So pause the video and draw a hill on your landform paper. Okay. The next one we have is a lake. A lake is a body of water that has land around it. I'm sure you've been to the lake before, fishing or swimming. Maybe you went camping at the lake. So a lake is water that's going to have land all the way around it. So is a lake going to go on your landforms paper or your bodies of water paper? Well, it tells us a body of water. So draw a lake on your bodies of water paper. Pause the video and do that now. A lake is a body of water. Got it? All right. A plane, okay? Plane is a homophone, so the word plane can mean different things. For this social studies, plane is land that is mostly flat. It's not like a plane that flies in the sky, okay? It is land that is mostly flat, okay? Is that going to go on landforms or bodies of water? What do you think? It is a landform. It tells us that plane is land, okay? So pause the video and draw a plane, flat land, on your landforms paper. Okay, got plane on your paper. Next is a pond. A pond is a small body of water that has land around it. Ponds are smaller than lakes. Okay, so the lake, land all the way around it. Pond is smaller, water all the way around it. Some people even have ponds in their backyard. They can be real small or they can be a little bit bigger, but they are not as big as a lake. So is a pond a landform or a body of water? Yep, it's a small body of water. So on your bodies of water paper, draw a pond. You can pause the video and do that now. Got it? All right. Valley. Valley is low land between mountains. So if you have those mountain peaks rising up and you have 2 of them, or 3 of them, or more than that, the land that's in between that is not high up is going to be the valley. Okay, so low land between mountains. Is that a landform or a body of water? Valleys are a landform. So on your landform paper, draw a valley. Pause the video to do that now. Okay, we have one more. River. A body of water that flows through the land. So have you ever seen a river? Some rivers are small and the water moves slow, and some rivers can be a little bigger and the water can move fast. But a river is a body of water. So you're going to do that, draw that on your bodies of water paper. A river. Can you see the little picture they show? Some rivers are pretty long and some are short, but they go through the land, okay? So pause the video and draw a river on your bodies of water paper. Okay, so you should have some pictures on landforms paper and you should have some on the bodies of water paper. These are not all the types of bodies of water or all the types of landforms, but those are the only ones that we're going to add to our paper now, okay? You can save these papers and we will add more later.